Picture yourself lounging with a view of the ocean, the breeze cooling your skin as you sip a refreshing drink. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate this idyllic scene right in your backyard with a stunning coastal patio design. Welcome to Green Home Living. A rustic wooden patio, nestled between two palm trees, offers the perfect place to relax in a hammock. Surrounded by colorful hibiscus and tropical ferns, this coastal escape is completed by a charming cottage with a thatched roof. Climbing roses and trailing vines create a lush canopy over the pergola, while the stucco-walled villa behind, with its arched doorways, transports you to a coastal paradise. This patio, with its weathered wood furniture and driftwood coffee table, is surrounded by seaside daisies and ornamental grasses. The coastal cottage behind, with its stone chimney and ivy-covered walls, adds a rustic charm. On a tropical island, this patio features bamboo furniture, colorful plants like hibiscus and plumeria, and tiki torches that light up the night. The thatched roof beach house behind, offering a serene escape from the world. This coastal patio, adorned with blue and white striped cushions, a rope-wrapped coffee table, and nautical lanterns, is surrounded by planters of seaside daisies and beach grass, creating a timeless seaside sanctuary. Surrounded by blooming hydrangeas, lavender, and lush ferns, this coastal garden patio exudes classic New England charm. A white picket fence borders the space, while the beach house, with its blue shutters and brick chimney, In this tropical haven, a patio with rattan chairs and a teak coffee table is framed by blooming plumeria and frangipani. The beach house behind, painted in soft pastels, features a wraparound porch that seamlessly blends into the lush surroundings. Thank you for spending time with me as we explored the world of coastal patios. I hope you feel inspired to bring a touch of the coast to your own outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who dream of coastal living. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with sun, sand, and serenity.